with another great review for you. It's the holidays, and we just put up the tree. We need to do a little cleaning with the GeeMo Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner. You'll see that the GeeMo Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner comes as a full-out vacuum and also can break down to a little handheld vacuum. So it's gonna hopefully be really good. Inside the box, it comes with all these parts, and it looks like you just gotta pop it together. It does come with some little screws right there, so I'll figure out what those are for. Looks pretty straightforward to put together. So we'll put it together, and I'll show you the completed product. The GeeMo comes with an instruction manual, but it seems really easy to put together. They have the general warnings right here. And they tell you what to do. Again, there's 2 brush modes. It's adjustable angle, turn off, 1 on and off button. And it says magic tape. It's actually just a thing that goes around the cord, so that way it doesn't get all loose on you. It tells you how to replace the filters, troubleshooting, and that's about it. So it's a standard instruction manual. Not really hard to put together. It looks like this part goes in here. Fits together, snaps in. Another extension tube. Looks to be the same thing. Pretty easy so far. And then you have the bottom of it right here. Which angles down, just snaps right in. By the way, if you want to take a part off, you just push this button down and it comes out. So it's very highly modular. Fits on the end of the vacuum. So you can slide the brush adapter up and it locks in like that. Or you can slide it back by pushing that button. It just becomes a regular handheld vacuum thing. So this is for the handheld vacuum right here. For the handheld, you leave off the bottom part. You would take this part right here and you line it up and just stick it right in the hole. And it locks in. That's your regular vacuum. And then you can slide this brush up and it locks in place to be a brusher vac. Then you just slide it back to be a regular vacuum again. And that's your handheld vacuum. Has an on and off switch right there. We don't have it plugged in yet. Has a canister to clean stuff. And it's supposed to be really easy to clean out, which it looks like it is. You know, just kind of shake it out there. So yeah, we're gonna try it out. I believe these screws are now to mount this little wall thing to hang your brushes from, like in the closet. The main unit also has a little brush, so you can actually use it as an even smaller vacuum with a brush. So that's looking cool too. The bin also comes off. You just push this button on the side. There's your air filter right there. And it seems to have a nice little design there, along with some foam. So there's no fine particles that are going to come through there. To put the canister back on, there's a little notch right here. I'm going to stick that at an angle in this little notch right here. And we're just going to push down, and it locks into place. So it's really easy to get the canister off. Again, to open it up to empty it out, you have it off the unit, and you just open up that little thing and everything will go in the basket. All set up, all plugged in, ready to go. It's plugged into that wall right over there. The on and off switch is ergonomically placed right here. We just push it forward. Let's see how loud it is. Not bad, not very loud at all. We'll get some of these pine needles from the tree. It's doing great on the floor. On the head here, we have this little notch here. And this controls whether you want the brush agitator to come out by pushing it down. You have a brush agitator, that'd be for like rugs and stuff. Or you pop it back up and it's for floors. We're on a hardwood floor, so we're gonna leave that off for now. Here we go, we get some pine needles. Glides very easily on the floor, it's doing a nice job. To check out the bin, you can see that you got some pine needles floating around in there with the impeller. So it's doing a nice job of catching all the debris. Again, just sucking up pine needles. There's that big pile over here. That green stuff is pine needles, and here we go. Took care of that pile. Obviously it's not a heavy duty vacuum, but it's lightweight, so it's gonna take a couple more passes than usual, but it did a nice job and it did it efficiently. Right here, there's an ornament that cracked on the floor. We still have more pine needles back here. So we're gonna pick it up with the vacuum and we'll see how it does. Here we go. That ornament didn't break, so we don't have to worry about that one. So on hardwood floors, it does a pretty nice job. Christmas, always need a vacuum for the pine needles, and it did a good job. Have a house with kids? Feed them popcorn, they might get it all over the rug. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the agitator on by pushing this down. Again, that activates the brush on the bottom, and we're gonna get all that popcorn out. Here we go. And it just picked up all that popcorn that fast. So it definitely did the job. The agitator, it's not a rolling one, but again, it's a lightweight vacuum, and it actually is easily carried around. So it did a great job on cleaning. I really can't complain. I did buy this for Zach's playroom so that we'd have to transport a heavier vacuum up and down stairs. It did a nice job on the Christmas tree, and I didn't even think about it for this use. So, all right, let's see how easy it is to empty the bin. Attach the container by pushing this button and pulling it right off the vacuum. I'm gonna go empty it out. I'll let you see the contents that we picked up with the vacuum, all those pine needles, popcorn. It even got some bigger branches in there, so that's actually nice to see for a lightweight vacuum. I'm gonna position it over the trash can. We're gonna pull up on this button and it dumps everything out into the trash. Really easy to empty, no problemo at all. Pros and cons about GeeMo Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner. Cons. I would say that the container that collects all the debris is a little small, so that you'll have to empty it more frequently than other vacuum cleaners. But again, it's a lightweight vacuum cleaner. It's not meant to clean all the house in one fell swoop. Other than that, it's really not that bad. That's about the biggest thing. The agitator brush maybe is a second con, just it doesn't rotate, but it's, you know, it's definitely doable on the rug as I showed. Pros, it is very lightweight. It is modular. You can make it as long or short as you need. It could be a hand vac. It does a great job at getting stuff up, and it's easy to clean out the containers. Overall, I do recommend the GeeMo Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner if you're looking for something small, portable, and able to pick up small spills. It is not meant for whole house cleaning unless you actually want to spend that much time with a lightweight vacuum. If you'd like to purchase your GeeMo Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every single purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.